Hello everyone. In an effort to clear up some confusion of new Onewheel GT owners, we are going to take a quick look at all of the ways that you could possibly void your Onewheel GT warranty. Your Onewheel GT's warranty cannot be guaranteed unless you register your board online. Now remember that riding an already damaged Onewheel GT will void its warranty. Never try to replace the grip tape on your Onewheel GT, as that is extremely dangerous and will indeed void its warranty. If your grip tape is damaged, replace the entire foot pad sensor immediately. Also, never exceed the maximum pressure of your one-wheel tire, which is 2 bar or 30 psi. Do ignore the markings of max inflation pressure that are on the tire. They were far too busy putting the one-wheel logo on the tire to change the actual markings that are on there. Inflating your one-wheel tire above 30 psi will void your warranty. Similarly, riding an underinflated tire will void your warranty. And so the specified inflation pressure of your one-wheel GT tire is between 17 and 30 psi. Going outside of that will likely void your warranty. Only use the supplied or branded chargers. Anything else will void your warranty and, quite frankly, probably won't even work. All electronics and motor components should only be serviced by Future Motion. Anything other than that will absolutely void your warranty. Your failure to confirm the compatibility of and/or install a one-wheel accessory will void your warranty. Changing, whatever that means, or modifying your Onewheel GT may lead to serious injury or death and will void your warranty. Using unauthorized accessories or components may void your warranty or cause serious injury or death. Never ride your Onewheel GT on inclines or declines. Doing so may cause your motor and battery to overheat and will void your warranty. Actually, hold on one second. I can't take this road because the hill grade is about 18%. So taking this way will void my warranty. Gotta take another road. Oh, damn. I don't want to void my warranty, and I think this little patch is too steep. So I'm just gonna have to... go. Warranty is still intact. Ooh. Jumping and stunt riding will void your warranty. So sorry to the Float Life folks and also the people on the Onewheel YouTube channel. By the way, your warranty is valid for a period of 1 year or 2,000 kilometers or 1,243 miles. That does not include wear items such as the tire, the battery pack, or the foot pad sensor, and that warranty is extended for only 6 months and or 1,000 kilometers or 622 miles. For the battery pack, that means that the warranty only lasts for approximately 20 to 25 charges, depending on your range. If you happen to have bought your Onewheel GT from anyone other than an authorized dealer or online directly from onewheel.com, you do not have a warranty. And the last thing that will void your warranty is in the event that you have purchased one, you have used it, and you are no longer happy with it or the parameters laid out inside this. Selling the Onewheel GT seems to void your warranty as well. The warranty itself is non-transferable, and any sale outside of an authorized retailer will void the warranty. So you would be selling a used Onewheel GT without a warranty to whomever wants to buy it. And lastly, if your battery is damaged, worn out, or breaks, and you try to unplug it from the BMS in order to repair it, the board will be bricked and you will be forced to send it back to the manufacturer. Thank you as always for your viewership, and despite the unfortunate upload date of this video, everything mentioned in this video can be found in your Onewheel GT user manual. Next up is a range test from the Onewheel GT, and after that, a whole lot of content from eSkateCon, an electric skateboard and PEV convention that I attended in Las Vegas. A lot of good stuff there, so if you are not subscribed, please do so, and take care of yourself.